of southern rain. As I do, don't look, don't touch, don't do anything, and hope that there is a ooh, the earth that is the space between. I've banished it from under me to get to you. Your unexpected love provides my solitary suicide. Oh, I wish I knew the time that I've taken. I pray it's not wasted. I've already tasted my piece of one sweet love. I'm ready and waiting for a heart worth of breaking. I'd settle for an honest mistake.